Now talking about another AI issue where you definitely need human intelligence, which is the context that is not there in the data. So this is the one that analysts feel most strongly about. If you see here, there is a bar chart, the number looks clean, but there is no story behind it. And if you look at this snapshot before and after, you can see that there are various factors that are impacting the quarterly revenue, which could be that COVID happened in 2020. Then there is one-time legal settlement that took place. There could be introduction of new management or CEO that changed the company's strategy. Then there could be a regulatory change that moved on entire revenue line from one category to another. So comparing the before and after chart, you definitely can see the numbers, but you cannot understand the story behind it. AI can extrapolate a revenue trend and give you a forecast which can be meaningless if you are not considering the various factors behind it. So before you extrapolate what happened in this period that is not visible in the numbers, then you need to have a checklist, and that is which quarter had one-time items like settlements, divestitures, maybe some strategy change happened. Was there any management change that impacted the revenue over that period? It was like COVID kind of situation, or if there is any regulatory change that impacted a revenue line, any M&A happened. So you need to consider all those internal and external factors before you draw any conclusion basis your analysis. So the question here you need to ask is, what happened here that is not in the numbers? As AI can run the regression but cannot know about the CEO change, can compute your growth rate but cannot flag the COVID base effect, can draw peer comparison but cannot comprehend the footnotes, can extrapolate the trend but cannot ask why. So this is the part of financial analysis that's hardest to automate, and that is why domain expertise matters.